Good morning, my beautiful gardening peeps. So today it's going to be a hot summer day. It is August 11th, so down south that's a scorcher. So I'm out here bright and early. I came out and watered all my garden in, and we're going to work on getting a second harvest from our tomatoes. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the celebrities which were determinate. So they pretty much put on, but now they're starting to get scraggly and spent. There's still a few tomatoes in there, but we'll go ahead and keep them. But if you see right here, it kind of looks like suckers coming up off of the main root. And then here's all the worn out stuff. So what we're gonna do is cut the main branch right below the suckers. Now you won't have time to plant new tomato seeds. They won't have time to come on. But if you do this, it's going to give you a whole new crop. If you look right here, see these little hair looking things? These are actually roots. So you could just cut it back and take some dirt and pull up over the top, and that will also make a new plant. So we've cut the main branches off. We're going to pull them out of there and harvest any tomatoes. The green tomatoes, our Granny Bonnie gave us the recipe for the green tomato relish that you get at fish houses. Oh, it's so good. So I'm going to post that below, and that's probably what I'm going to do with my green tomatoes, because I don't want to throw them away. So you're going to pull these out, and then I'll show you the final. Okay, so this is kind of what we ended up with. See, that one already has some tiny tomatoes on it. And if you look, right here's a good one. So it kind of dropped tomatoes everywhere. I'll be harvesting those up except for the bad ones, and I'll just toss them in the compost. So I was going to show you, this is a better example of those roots. See all those in there? You can actually stick those in the ground and plant them. This is on a yellow pear cherry tomato. I mean, this thing put on gazillions, and our grandkids just loved them. But they don't have that acid. A lot of people have problems with acid reflux with the red tomatoes, and these are a lot milder, but still so delicious. So next year when you grow your tomatoes, I would highly recommend the yellow pear. It was outstanding. So this is pretty much what we took out. You can tell it's big stalks and stuff. It just cleans your garden up, and also you get that second harvest. This right here is what we in the South refer to as a hot mess. All right, well, thanks for joining Mama's Weeds, and I hope this video will help you get another whole round of tomatoes for canning and eating, freezing, or even dehydrating. If you have a special dehydrator recipe for those, send that to me, because mine didn't turn out so well. All right, I appreciate y'all. Have a good one. Stay cool and hydrated.